The iPad Pro M5 is shaping up to be Apple's most powerful and most mysterious tablet yet, a device that's already making waves long before its official launch. When Apple unveiled the M4 iPad Pro earlier this year, many people thought the company had finally hit the peak of tablet technology, combining the thinnest design ever made with breathtaking OLED visuals and the kind of performance that could rival laptops. But it seems Apple wasn't finished at all, because deep inside Cupertino, testing has reportedly begun on the next-generation iPad Pro powered by the M5 chip, and the leaks surrounding it are absolutely wild. A strange video out of Russia appeared on YouTube showing what looks like an unbranded iPad prototype with an entirely new processor ID labeled M5, booting into an early iPad OS build. What shocked everyone wasn't the design, which looks nearly identical to the M4, but the small details: a missing iPad Pro logo on the back, a second camera cutout near the top edge, and a new type of glass coating that appears slightly darker than before. The real shock came when the leaker ran Geekbench on it, revealing scores around 4,100 in single-core and over 15,000 in multi-core. That's faster than an M4 Max MacBook Pro, faster than most high-end desktop PCs, in a tablet. The M5 chip, according to insiders, is built on TSMC's brand new 2nm process, delivering more power efficiency and heat control than any chip Apple has ever made. It reportedly uses a 9-core CPU setup, 3 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores, clocked at an unbelievable 4.4 GHz. That alone would make it one of the fastest mobile processors on the planet, but the GPU improvements are what's truly exciting. Early developer leaks suggest a 30 to 35% jump in graphics performance compared to the M4, putting the iPad Pro M5 in a category that could rival dedicated gaming consoles. Imagine console-level gaming, advanced AI rendering, and pro editing tools running at full speed on a device that fits in your backpack. This time, Apple isn't just focusing on power, it's clearly preparing for a new generation of on-device intelligence. The M5 is rumored to include an upgraded neural engine, capable of performing up to 60 trillion operations per second, designed to push the boundaries of Apple's in-house AI system, Apple Intelligence. That means tasks like image generation, real-time video editing, translation, summarization, or even creative tools in Logic Pro and Final Cut could happen entirely on the iPad without relying on the cloud. Privacy, speed, and creativity all in one place. The iPad Pro M5 could become the ultimate mobile AI machine, combining the portability of a tablet with the processing muscle of a workstation. In terms of design, don't expect dramatic changes. The leaked model looks sleek, flat-edged and minimalistic, almost identical to the M4, but Apple has reportedly strengthened the frame slightly to support a new generation of magnetic accessories. The next Magic Keyboard 2.0 is rumored to include a larger trackpad and aluminum top plate, giving the iPad a floating laptop feel and finally making it a true hybrid between tablet and MacBook. On the display side, both the 11-inch and 13-inch variants are confirmed to be getting OLED panels, manufactured by Samsung and LG, offering even deeper blacks, sharper contrast, and better outdoor brightness. Sources mention up to 1i600 nits peak brightness, matching Apple's $5,000 Pro Display XDR. That's mind-blowing for a portable device. The screen will also feature adaptive refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, giving ultra-smooth animations while conserving battery life when reading or sketching. Then comes the camera system, one of the most curious design choices this time. The iPad Pro M5 may include dual front cameras for the first time ever, one for landscape and one for portrait. That change could revolutionize video calling, always keeping the user centered no matter how they hold the device. It may also open the door to depth-mapped 3D video recording for the Vision Pro, allowing creators to shoot immersive content directly from the iPad. In a way, Apple seems to be merging the iPad, Mac, and Vision Pro ecosystems into one connected creative universe. On the inside, leaks reveal configurations starting with 12 GB of RAM, with higher-end models possibly going up to 16 gigs. Wi-Fi 7 support is almost confirmed, bringing wireless speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. The cellular versions are rumored to feature Apple's first in-house modem, improving signal quality and power efficiency. Multiple model numbers have already appeared in FCC filings, covering both Wi-Fi and 5G variants of the 11-inch and 13-inch models, proving that production is well underway. As for the release, most insiders expect Apple to announce the M5 iPad Pro in October 2025, possibly alongside the M5 MacBook Air and M5 Mac Mini. But there's a chance Apple could delay until early 2026 if supply chain yields on the 2nm chips don't meet demand. Pricing will likely rise again, with the base 11-inch model expected to start at $1,199, and the larger 13-inch model possibly at $1,499. It's expensive, but then again, Apple isn't trying to make the cheapest tablet. It's trying to make the most advanced. The iPad Pro M5 represents the fusion of raw chip power, artificial intelligence, and portable creativity. For years, critics have said iPads are too powerful for their software, but with iPadOS 19 expected to launch alongside this model, that might finally change. Reports claim major updates are coming to multitasking, external display support, and AI-assisted creativity tools, allowing apps like Final Cut and Logic to perform exactly as they do on a Mac. For the first time, we might see the iPad Pro truly justify its Pro name. The future Apple is building becomes clearer with each leak. The M5 chip won't just make things faster. It will redefine how iPads think, learn, and create. Apple isn't designing a tablet anymore. It's designing a new class of computing device, one that sits between a Mac and a Vision Pro. A device that could replace your laptop, your sketchbook, your camera, and maybe even your studio. It's sleek, smart, and terrifyingly fast. And if these leaks are true, it might be the first iPad that truly blurs the line between art and engineering. The iPad Pro M5 is the future of creative technology wrapped in a familiar aluminum frame. So the next time someone says tablets are dead, remember this. Apple doesn't follow trends, it builds the next one. And when the iPad Pro M5 finally lands, with its dual cameras, 2nm chip, and desktop-class power, it won't just be another upgrade. It will be the moment the definition of computer changes forever. Until then, all we can do is watch the leaks, follow the whispers, and prepare for Apple's next big move. Because the future of the iPad isn't coming, it's already waiting. Just below the surface, ready to redefine everything we know about performance, creativity, and what a tablet can truly be. And in conclusion, the iPad Pro M5 isn't just another step forward in Apple's tablet evolution, it's the start of a completely new era. Every leak, every rumor, every tiny hardware detail points toward one thing. Apple is preparing to blur the boundaries between tablets, laptops, and AI-powered creativity. This isn't simply a tool for watching videos or browsing the web. It's a full-fledged creative powerhouse designed for designers, filmmakers, students, and professionals who want desktop-class performance in their hands. With the M5 chip, the iPad Pro is no longer playing catch-up to the Mac. It's running beside it, maybe even faster in certain tasks. And when that moment comes, when Apple officially unveils it with the new accessories, the updated iPad OS and all the AI magic baked in, we might finally witness the product that redefines what a portable computer can be. The iPad Pro M5 is not just about speed or specs. It's about freedom, creativity, and the promise of what comes next. Whether you're an artist sketching your next masterpiece, a student editing 4K projects, or a dreamer exploring the next wave of AI, the M5 iPad Pro might just be the device that changes how we create forever.